Watch this video to find out how to check the baggage allowance for your Air Canada ticket. Find the Air Canada website link about checked baggage in the search results and click on it. In the form, click on the From field to enter your departure location. Fill in any city in the From field and select your city from the available drop-down choices. Click on the To field to enter your destination. Select your destination city from the drop-down list. Click on Loyalty Program Status to choose your status. Select Class of Service to choose your class. Select View Allowance to check your baggage details. Once done, you can see the complete baggage allowance information.